Mia, can I tell you something a little embarrassing?
Always.
Yesterday, I saw an old friend post a photo. New phone, big smile. And for maybe 10 minutes, I felt bad about my own phone.
The one you love? The one with the broken screen you still won't change?
Yes, that one. I don't even want a new phone.
I understand that more than you think. Last week, I saw someone my age with a very nice kitchen. New, clean, perfect. And I looked at my small, messy kitchen and felt like I was doing something wrong.
Your kitchen makes really good food, though.
True, but still, that feeling came.
It's strange. We don't even want the new phone or the new kitchen, but the bad feeling still comes.
So where does that feeling really come from?
I'm Ryan.
And I'm Mia, the woman who felt bad about her own kitchen.
Today, we talk about comparing ourselves to other people and how to stop small things from feeling like big problems.
If this helps you feel a little better today, please subscribe.
Okay, let's slow down on the phone story.
What really happened, though? You saw one photo.
One photo, 3 seconds of looking, and then 10 minutes of feeling bad.
3 seconds and then 10 minutes? That's strange.
Right? The photo was small. The bad feeling was big.
Why do you think the feeling got so big?
I think because I only saw the good part. His smile, his new phone. I didn't see him waiting at the store for 1 hour or worrying about the price.
So you saw his best moment and you compared it to your whole normal day.
Huh. When you say it like that, it's not a fair comparison at all.
You saw one photo, 1 second of his life, but you have your whole day, every hour of it.
And nobody takes a photo of the boring parts.
Right. Nobody takes a photo of waiting at the store or feeling tired or doing dishes.
So a photo is just one small piece, not the real whole day.
Yes, exactly. One small piece, not the whole day.
But here's something I think about. Isn't comparing sometimes good, though? Doesn't it help us try harder?
That's true sometimes. Seeing someone do well can make me want to try too.
Do you have a real example?
Yes, actually. My neighbor started walking every morning. After 1 month, he looked much healthier. That didn't make me feel bad. It made me think, maybe I can do that too. So that one didn't hurt. It helped.
Why did that feel different from the phone story?
I think it's about how close it is to your real life. Your neighbor, you see him every day. You know his life a little. You can copy what he did.
But the phone photo, I don't know that person's real life. I just saw one photo one time.
Right. When someone is close to you, comparing can show you a way to try something new. When someone is far away and you only see one photo, it usually just makes you feel bad, with no way to fix it.
No way to fix it. Just a bad feeling.
Yes, exactly.
So the answer isn't never compare?
I don't think anyone can really do that. Comparing is just something our brain does. It's not a mistake.
Oh, good. Because I was starting to feel bad about feeling bad.
No need for that. The real question isn't, why did I compare? It's, does this help me or does this hurt me?
Can we try that? Right now. Give me an example and I will try to answer.
Okay, someone at your work gets a big new job.
Does this help me or hurt me? I think it depends. If I really want that job, maybe it shows me a way to try. If I don't even want it, then it's just noise.
Yes, that's it exactly. Sometimes the bad feeling is about something real that you want, and sometimes it's just noise with your name on it.
Noise with my name on it. I like that.
I do one small thing that helps me. Want to hear it?
Please.
When I start comparing myself to someone online, I try to compare myself to my own life last year instead.
Does that really work?
It works because it's fair. Last year's me and this year's me, we lived a similar life. A stranger online did not.
So, am I better now than I was last year?
Usually, yes, in some small way.
Okay. Last year, I could not talk in English for 5 minutes without stopping. Now I can. That is really true.
See? Real change. Small, but real.
Nobody says well done for that kind of change, though.
No, but it still matters. Some good change doesn't look big online. It just feels good in real life.
What about the photos, though? Do you ever just stop looking?
Sometimes. If one person's photos make me feel bad every single time, I quietly stop following them.
Just like that? No message? No explaining?
No message. They never even know. It's not that they are bad. It's just not good for me to see right now.
That feels too easy to actually help.
It is easy. We just don't often let ourselves do it.
Why not?
Maybe it feels a little bad or rude, even though the other person never knows at all.
True. They're not checking who stopped following them.
Right. What you look at every day is your own choice. Nobody else's.
Can we try one more thing? A real practice right now.
Go ahead.
Think of one person you compared yourself to this month. Don't say who. Just ask yourself, close or far away?
Okay, I have one.
Close, meaning you know them and you could try what they did. Or far, meaning it's just a photo with no real way to try it.
Far. Very far. I don't even know this person in real life.
Then maybe that one is just noise, not something you really want.
Huh. Saying that out loud really helps.
One more question though. What if the bad feeling comes back, even after I try all this?
That happens. Old feelings don't go away in one day.
Okay.
But every time, you can ask the same small question. Close or far? Help me or hurt me? It gets a little easier every time you ask it.
Small question, asked often. Not one big fix.
Yes, exactly. Small and often, just like everything else that really works.
Okay. Word tour time. Let's go slow. Best moment. The best small part of someone's day, without the boring or hard parts. Example. That photo showed his best moment, not his whole day.
Copy. To do the same thing someone else did. Example. I can copy my neighbor's morning walk. Helps me. When something makes you feel stronger or gives you a good idea. Example. Seeing my neighbor walk helps me want to try too.
Hurts me. When something makes you feel bad or feel small. Example. That photo hurts me every time I see it.
Stop following. To stop seeing someone's photos. Quietly. With no message. Example. I stopped following one person and I felt better right away. Tell us one thing you compared yourself to that you later learned you did not even want. Remember the phone from the start?
The phone I don't even want.
Close or far?
Far. Very far. Just noise.
See? Already lighter. And your kitchen?
Still small and messy. But it still makes good food.
That's a fair comparison. This month's kitchen and last month's kitchen. Both good.
Exactly the kind I need. Take care of what you look at this week.
See you next time.